In this video, I will show you how you can show stop loss and take profit on Exness. So firstly, I will place trade so I can show you. So buy market, and I'm gonna choose take profit like this one, and stop loss. Now confirm. And now to be able to see take profit and stop loss, you need to click on this gear icon settings on the left side and take profit, stop loss, stop limit. You need to make sure this is enabled. And as you can see right now, once it's enabled, it's showing you stop loss and take profit. You can also modify each option. So if I click on it and I will drag it, you can modify this position. And that's how you can see stop loss and take profit on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.